Motorola also introduced a new Moto G series device now in the 2024 edition. So the name is very simple, Moto G 2024. This device has been presented for the United States and Canada. So remember, as I told you, that Motorola handles a slightly different nomenclature for those regions. This device goes for a simple 6.6-inch display with LCD technology and HD plus resolution. So it's very basic, but it has 120 Hz in its refresh rate. It is 8.23 millimeters thick and its weight is 194 grams. And again, it repeats the formula with water-repellent design and synthetic leather back cover. In this case, the processor is a Snapdragon, but it is one of the most basic edition. It is the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 accompanied by 4 GB of RAM with the possibility of placing another 4 GB virtually using the storage that is 128 GB UFS 2.2. Its battery, like all Motorola's, is 5000 milliamps, but in this case it supports 18 watts of charge. As you will notice, we are talking about a fairly simple device. The main camera is 50 megapixels and then it has a simple macro camera, and in selfies we find 8 megapixels. This model also supports eSIM, and I think that will also be another of its main virtues. Unlike the vast majority of devices in that price range that only bring slot for physical SIM cards. Another positive point is that it comes with stereo sound, and that can definitely help a lot to the experience, although we would like the screen to be full HD because really in the middle of 2024 it is unusual to see devices with HD screens. This device will be available in the United States through some carriers such as T-Mobile and Metro. In addition, it will be sold through Motorola's official website, Amazon and Best Buy. Its announced price for that region is $199. On the screen you see the reference price in other currencies, so you have more or less an idea. But remember that prices here are not the same as over there. Let me know your opinion regarding these devices presented by Motorola.